Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see, basically what it is a PTC fan heater, or aka a heater fan. So this is basically what it looks like, but let's actually open up the product to see what it actually looks like inside and what comes out of the package first. So you're going to want to remove this part right here first. You guys can see that they have a very nice protective layer to protect the heater itself. Once you take out that part, this is basically what it looks like in here. So this one actually has a little handle, as you can see, so you can grip it, so it's really easy to access and everything. They also provide you guys a little remote that you can use to control the heater itself. They provide you guys a little thank you envelope right here. And then last thing they provide you guys right here is a little user manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself right there. So let's take a look at the remote first. Alright, so this is basically what the remote looks like, as you can see. So there's the power button right here, there's the oscillating button right here, there's the timer button, the mode button, and the plus and minus. On the back side, you can see this is where you put in the battery. So I don't think they provide you guys with battery, so you might need your own battery. But let's take a look at the heater first. Alright, so once we take out the heater, this is basically what it looks like, if you can see. So it's a ceramic heater right here, and this is where the heat will come from. They have a very nice protective layer right here, so that way if you guys do accidentally put your hand right here or touch it, you guys won't get burned. So that means that the material right here is flame resistant as well, so that's definitely really cool. If you guys take a look at the back part right here, this is the little handle that I mentioned, so you guys can actually hold it like this to bring it wherever you guys want to. On the top part, you can see that they have a protective cover right here for all the buttons and everything. So let's remove that first and see what it looks like. Alright, so once we remove it, this is basically what it looks like right there. So there's the power switch right there, the M button, I believe that's the mode button, plus and minus to increase and lower the temperature, the oscillating mode, and the timer mode right there. And also for this product, it's supposed to have a tip over protection, so if the product does tip over or something, it's supposed to turn off by itself. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's actually activate it first and see how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just plugged in the product itself. Let's turn it on and see how it works. So you're going to press this button right here. So you can see it displays the temperature right there, which is 95 degrees, and it's on high mode. So if you guys want to lower it, if you guys want to just hold it, you guys can press it down all the way and see how far it can go. So the lowest right there is 41 and the highest is 95 degrees. If you guys want to change the mode, click on mode. So there's high and low mode, and then there's eco mode. And when we turn it on, like, it instantly heats up really fast. Let's change the oscillating mode and see how it works. Alright, so you can see the oscillating mode works pretty well. It goes that far that direction, but let's see how far it goes this way. Alright, so it goes that far. And if you guys want to use the timer mode, you guys definitely can as well. So the timer mode is the last button right there. So if you click on timer mode, you guys can change it up to, I believe, 12 hours maximum. Yep, so 12 hours maximum. If you guys don't want to use the option, you guys don't need to use it. Then obviously when you guys are done using it, click the same button right here to turn off. And you guys can see that they have a little timer right there that counts down before it closes. So let's see what happens when it finishes counting down. Alright, so as you can see, it turns off by itself. Let me turn it back on to show you guys the tip over protection. Alright, so you can see that it's on. So the tip over protection means that once it tips or something up to a certain degree or whatever, then it actually turns off by itself. So let's see if it actually works. Alright, so it turns off by itself, but it's not like an instant one. It takes a while for it to close by itself. So this isn't like the other Taotronics heater where it actually turns off by itself like instantly. It took a minute for it to actually turn off, and it's still like waiting. So it's not like an instant turn off, so that might be an issue for some people, but it does have the tip over protection to turn off by itself. It's just not instant. And then obviously if you guys want to use the remote, it works the same as all the buttons right here as well, so you guys can use that option. So for the remote, you guys actually need to get 2 AAA batteries to activate it, which is what we have right here. So let's give it a try and see when it actually works. Alright, let's activate it. Alright, so the activation button works. Turn on the oscillating mode. Alright, the oscillating mode works as well. Increase the temperature, lower the temperature, change the different modes, and then a timer. Alright, so everything works under remote as well. Welcome back, guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that everything works pretty well, really easy to use. All the button controls work pretty well. Definitely really cool how they have a high, low, and also eco mode on here. And the controls on here and everything is pretty easy. You guys can use the actual product itself to control it, or you can use the remote that they provide you guys as well to turn off the product, control all the different modes and everything else as well. But definitely the product itself, it heats up really fast, like I mentioned. Within like 3 seconds or so, you guys can definitely feel the heat already. And even like the cool down process didn't take too long. Like right now, they're all cooled down. I think the only issue, if there's any issue about the product, is the fact of the tip over protection itself. It took a while for it to actually turn off if I saw it in the test, but it definitely does have the tip over protection that I mentioned on here. It just takes a while for it to turn off by itself. But when we have the product on here, it's definitely here that it's not loud at all. It's actually really quiet. You can actually cover up a good amount in the bottom and the top part up to a certain extent of like how far it can go. But now that we do quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think these are actually pretty worth it if you guys want and need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a space-saving, portable, and affordable space heater, then that's definitely worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have